Exoforma Wet Tire Shine. If you are at all familiar with this product, you have no doubt seen the tons of Facebook and YouTube videos that clearly appear to be sponsored. Well, they eventually got to me, and I thought it looked like a pretty good product based on those, and so I spent my own money on it. I actually spent my own money on several of their products. I got kind of their whole set. I just got done washing my car, my X5 here, using their car soap. I cleaned the wheels and the tires with their wheel and tire cleaner, and now we're going to take the wet tire dressing and apply it to the freshly cleaned tires. There's several ways they say to apply it. They say that you should spray it on the tires and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. I emailed them and they said you can let it sit for maybe up to 30 minutes because there's clearly a point of diminishing returns there. They said spray it on and wipe it off, or you can use an applicator. So I have these foam applicators I got off Amazon. I'm gonna spray it on and then smooth it out and let it sit for about a half hour, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to put a piece of electrical tape here, as I've seen in other videos, just so I can get a sort of control area. I'll put that right in front of the valve stem here. All right, let's put the tire shine on. I tried wiping it on there. This one I'm just going to spray it on, like they say in the directions. Same here, I'll spray it on the front tires. And I'll wipe it on the back tires. I feel like I got more on the front tires because I sprayed it on, whereas here it's just kind of smeared. But, all right, we'll give this about a half hour and we'll come back and wipe it off and see how it does. All right, it's been a half hour. It says to use a microfiber towel to wipe it off. Verdict on wheel 1, it's not super shiny looking, but maybe we'll see how it goes tomorrow in the daylight. Front wheel, this one clearly has it on a little bit heavier. This is the one I sprayed it on. Again, it's not the mirrored look that the ads, the videos, I'll say, make you believe. Wheel 3 or tire 3, another one that it was just sprayed onto. It was on there pretty heavy. And the right rear, where it was also used, I used the applicator to put it on. This almost looks like the shiniest of the bunch. And let's go take that tape off. Pull this tape off here. It's a little bit under it. It's not really night and day difference there. I actually can't even see where the tape was. So here we are the next day. And after I wiped it off yesterday, I just was not impressed that it was that shiny. So I actually put a second coat on all of the tires. And it's actually still just a little bit of stuff coming off on my fingers, but that might just be a matter of wiping it off better. I would say that it's kind of a little bit past satin. It's not the mirrored finish that they show in all the videos that I've seen. It's a nice look. It's just not the gloss mirrored finish that I have seen in all those videos. Right rear, same thing. This is one that I used the applicator to smear it around on. Again, it's a nice look. Still a little bit coming off on my fingers. Again, just more of a nice satin plus finish, I would say. Front left tire now. This tire's in the shade, so a little bit different look for you. There are some areas that are a little bit shinier, but overall, just like the other tires, it's just a little bit past satin. And left rear, same thing. A few spots up here that I probably just could have wiped a little bit better. But again, a nice finish, just not mirrored. So overall, like I mentioned, I bought kind of the entire set. I did use the glass cleaner. I would say it worked pretty well. Not vastly better than my other products, but it worked well. It didn't leave any streaks. I could recommend that. I used the wheel and tire cleaner to clean the wheels and tires before I applied the wet tire dressing. The downside, I would say, of this is that it comes in a 16-ounce bottle, and I'm used to using my foam cannon, and I feel like I get more mileage out of that. This is maybe not going to go as far out of a 16-ounce bottle, but it seemed to get the wheels and tires pretty clean. I used the ceramic detailer and the Super Shine. Yeah, the car was already pretty clean, so I can't comment too much on how great they were. I did not try the interior cleaner. And obviously I used the wet tire dressing. And you can see the videos that you watch on these, you get done using that in those videos and the tire is like a mirror. And on my tires, they look nice, but it's just a little extra satin finish. It's not a mirrored finish. Hopefully this will last a long time, we'll see, compared to, I'm used to using the Obsessed Garage tire dressing, which gives kind of a satin finish. It lasts okay. It'll last until the next time I wash my car. So we'll see how this does long term. But overall, it's nice. It's just not the magic potion that all the other videos that I have seen say that it is. Post some comments if you tried it. Let me know what you think. Let me know how your experience with this is. But that is my experience with the Exoforma wet tire dressing.